Welcome back, guys, to Mathematical Mindset. So we have a question here that says the root of x plus the root of x minus 9 is equals to 9. We are to solve for x. So guys, the first thing we want to do right here is to say let the root of x be equals to a. So if we do that, substitute into the original equation, we have this to be a plus the root of a squared minus 9 is equals to 9. Okay, so this is it right here. So the next thing we want to do is to simply isolate a on one side. So isolate a on one side, we have that a is equals to 9 minus the square root of a squared minus 9. Alright, so from this part, the next thing we want to do is to simply square both sides. So squaring both sides, we have that a square is equals to 9 minus the root of a square minus 9 all square. So we have this to be our answer. Okay, so from this right here, I've been able to square both sides of the equation. So the next thing we want to do is to simply recall that a minus b all square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we want to simply apply this rule to the right hand side of this equation. So applying this to the right hand side of this equation, we have that 9 minus the root of a square minus 9 all square is equals to, now from this part we know that 9 is equals to a and b is the square root of a square minus 9. So at this part we have this to be 9 square minus 2 multiplying 9 multiply the square root of a square minus 9 plus b square, which is the square root of a square minus 9 all square. Okay, so at this part right here, we have this to be equal to 9 square is 81. So we have this to be 81 minus 2 times 9 is 18 square root of a square minus 9. And this is going to cancel out the square root. So we have this to be plus a square minus 9. Okay, so we have this right here. So then combining this into the original equation, then from the original equation we have that a square is equals to 81 minus 18 square root of a square minus 9 plus a square minus 9. So collecting the like terms, or we can easily say combining like terms. Combining like terms right here, we have that a square minus a square is equals to 81 minus 9 minus 18 into the square root of a square minus 9. Okay, so a square minus a square is going to give us 0, which is equals to 81 minus 9 is going to give us 72 minus 18 all into the square root of a square minus 9. So we have this to be, now if this comes this way, we have this to be minus 72 is equals to minus 18 square root of a square minus 9. So dividing both sides by minus 18, this is going to cancel out this is going to cancel out this, and 72 divided 18 is going to give us 4 equals to the square root of a square minus 9. So the next thing we want to do is to simply square both sides. So square both sides right here, we have this to be 4 square equal to the square root of a square minus 9 all square. And this is going to cancel out this. So we have that 4 square is 16 equals to a square minus 9. And a square is equals to 16 plus 9. And a square is equals to 25. Alright, so we have a square to be 25. So the next thing we want to do is square roots of both sides. Square root of both sides right here, we have this to be the square root of a square is equals to the square root of 25. So this cancel out this, we have that a is equals to the square root of 25 is 5. But recall that at the beginning of the solution, we said that let the root of x be equals to a. So right here, we call that the root of x is equals to a. So right here, we have that the root of x is equals to 5 right here. So the next thing we want to simply do right here, is to simply square both sides. So square both sides right here. We have this to be, the root of x all square is equals to 5 square. So this is going to cancel out this, and x is equals to 25. So this becomes our final answer. So to verify if our answer is correct, we have the original equation to be the root of x plus the root of x minus 9 is equals to 9. So let's check if x is equals to 25 is the original value for x. So the root of x, we have this to be the root of 25 plus the root of x is 25 minus 9 is equals to 9. The root of 25 is 5 plus the root of 25 minus 9 is going to give us 16, which is equals to 9. So 5 plus the root of 16 is 4, which is equals to 9. So 5 plus 4 is 9, which is equals to 9. So this is to show that x is equals to 25 is the original value for x. So guys, this is how you can solve a question such as this right here.